Welcome to ATeck. If your iPhone is overheating, there are a few things you can do to try and fix the problem. Number 1. If you are using a case on your iPhone, remove it as it may be causing your device to overheat by trapping the heat inside. Number 2. Close running apps. Running multiple apps can cause your iPhone to overheat. Close all the unnecessary apps that are running in the background. Number 3. Make sure that your iPhone is up to date with the latest software updates. Sometimes updates include bug fixers that can help prevent your iPhone from overheating. Number 4. Turn off location services by going to Settings, Privacy, then Location Services. Because it uses a lot of power. Number 5. Try resetting your device. If none of these steps help, it may be a hardware issue and you should contact Apple support or take your device to an authorized repair center. If you like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.